to our channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the problem sort colors, which is problem number 75 on Leetcode. I will explain this problem clearly. After that, you can go and check through the Leetcode. You will be able to solve the problem very easily. Just listen to this till the end of this video. Okay. You are given an array, you need to sort the array. Just basic of this problem. Without using the sort function. You must solve this problem without using the sort function. But here we have included a condition. We must solve this array in place without taking the another array. So here given the colors red, white, blue. This indicates 0, 1, 2. So only three colors are present. You need to sort this array without using the another array and without using the sort function. This is the basic understanding of problem. First we need to understand the problem and then we have to go to the problem analysis. I'm going to analyze the problem. See, sort colors. I am taking an array. I will tell you 2, 0. I'm taking an array 202 elements, which is example 1 in lead code. You can go and check once this example. Okay, I'm just declaring the variables. I will explain what all those things. Okay, now I'm taking L is equal to 0. It is low. Mid is equal to 0. High is equal to length of error minus 1. Hope this declaration of variables cleared you. Okay, now I will point it. Okay, see, this is L, this is mid, and this is high. I will just assigning. Now I'm entering into a while loop where I have applied a condition mid less than or equal to high. See, this is mid and this is high. Mid less than or equal to high. So I have gone through the array by using this while loop. So I will explain conditions. I will explain what if mid is equal to 0. Mm, Now I will move to the else part. Here we are having 2 as the first element. So elif, I will explain the code. Elif, we will take 2 as the last element. So I am going to the else part. I will explain what this else part. Okay. Here, if you want to sort an array, 0 will be first and 1 will be in middle part and 2 will be at the end of the array. So I am just swapping this 2 value to last element where height. See, I'm just swapping it. You can understand. In Python, you can swap in this way. Arms of height is equal to arms of height, comma, arms of mid. See, and I have declared it as array. Whether it is array or nums, you must have an idea. It is a list in Python. Okay. So after swapping this 2 with 0, and it is the array will become 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2. Is it? Now, now we have to decrease the height. We have to decrease the high value because we already just swapped the value and it is 2. We all know that, and it is at the end of the array. Now Now high is here and mid is here and low value will be here only itself. Low value here itself only. Okay. I need to decrease the mid. I am decreasing the high value. I minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. And this is if the value will be 2, we will just keep including at the end of the array. Now we are going to we have AR of mid is equal to 0. What now what we have to do? I will explain it. Okay. Now we have entered into the first if condition. If the value is equal to 0, we need to keep it to the low. Here L is equal to 0. We will swap it with the low value. See, I think you must have confused our nums and array, but okay, I will just keep using the nums. You don't confuse ARR or nums. You must have to know it is a list, whether it is array or nums while declaring. Sometimes it happen. So I am just very well. My aim is to understand the problem clearly so that you can solve if it comes once again. After explanation, you can once go through check through the lead code and then you will understand what this problem is and how could you solve this problem. See here, I just have swapped the with the low 0 and mid. Low is equal to 0 and mid is where L indicates the low. Okay. Now we need to go through the condition. We need to increment the mid where mid plus 1 is equal to 1. We just have swapped it to the least value, so we need to increment the L value also so that it will keep on moving. Now the array looks like, see, it will be in 0 0 0. Oh, no, sorry. Okay, it's my bad. 2 1 2. Okay, 1 2. Don't confuse here. Okay, we have understood clearly. See, if the value is equal to 0, then we are just swapping with the low value and mid value. Mid is a variable where it traversing the list or array. I am just swapping this array and incrementing. If it is a value 2, we just keep swapping with the value highest index. Here high is equal to highest index. We will just add in the 2 will be at the end of the array. And after that this process is complete, we will include all ones in the middle and zeros will be at the least position at the low values and twos will be at the high. So I need to add another condition. If I'm adding the condition for I'm adding the condition for 1. If the error if the value is equal to mid, then we just keep increasing the mid value. We just keep on swapping. See, now I will explain with this help of this algorithm. See, guys, we understand what's happening here. Okay, I am increasing the mid value. Okay, if it is 0, you just swap with the low value and the index will be here. It is 2. If you see here, it is one step. It is one step. You just have to see, observe it, and it is another step else. If it is 2, it will be considered as a else statement. So nums of mid is equal to nums of high and nums of high nums of, I just swapping the last element highest valued position in element with the mid value. So I just swap with 2. Here we all know that high will be in the before position. So I'm just swapping it. Here high. I'm just swapping both these values. So now array looks like 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. See, array is sorted, but we keep on checking if any values will be there. If array of mid is equal to 0, see, if array of mid is equal to 1, we just increasing the mid value. We just increasing the mid value. If it is 2, we just use it to compare. We just use to swap with the high. If we high is in this position only, we just swap this will be, and we will reach that the end of the array. And low will be here. In this way, we have just sorted the array in 2 3 steps by using this code. I hope you guys understood the code, and I'm going to lead code. See, this is the question. See, here's the code. I will run. Sorry. See, it is accepted to test cases. I have just considered this test case as an example for you to understand. So I'm going to submit the code. Okay. See, it just looks okay. Thanks.